Taking a quick look at stock futures, as you can see, arrows all heading south this morning. Economists fear a recession looms. So after a sharp fall in U.S. stocks, investors are worried about even more rate hikes from the Federal Reserve. The hikes, which increase just how much it costs to borrow money, of course, are meant to reduce still high inflation. But at this point, even some optimistic experts are concerned the Fed's actions could actually land the U.S. economy in a recession.
Okay, right now stocks are down more than 300 points at the moment after the British pound crashed to a record low against the U.S. dollar. At one point, the UK currency dropped by 4%. Wall Street had been bracing ahead of today's opening after the Dow closed Friday at its lowest level since 2020 amid fears of a recession. CNN's Matt Egan joins us live now from the New York Stock Exchange. So, Matt, how are investors feeling now?
Well, Allison, unfortunately, the mood here on Wall Street is gloomy, and it's getting gloomier. I think the big concern remains the same one that has rocked the stock market all year, and that's that the Federal Reserve is going to put this inflation fire out, but it's going to make such a mess that the economy goes into recession. And so that's why we're seeing the Dow down 370 points, about 1.2%. The Dow is on track to officially enter a bear market, which is a 20% decline from previous highs. If the Dow closes down by more than 150 points, then it will join the S&P 500 and NASDAQ in bear market territory. As you mentioned, the British pound is in free fall mode today. Continues to lose ground against major currencies after UK Prime Minister Liz Truss announced this plan to cut taxes. That plan has not gone over well with investors. The Bank of England even put out a statement saying it is closely monitoring financial markets, although the Bank of England stopped short of announcing an emergency rate hike. On the energy front, we have seen gasoline prices here in the United States continue to tick higher. The national average is up 6 cents a gallon from the recent low. The good news, though, is that that's probably not going to last simply because oil prices have come down so sharply, down more than 2% today, below $77 a barrel. I think the bad news is why oil prices are down. They're down because of those same recession fears that are hitting the stock market. Allison?
Okay, now we understand gloomy. Matt Egan, thank you very much.